Now we going for recording the video of LMS introduction for Capstone project. Our LMS platform is Moodle. We create the account for provide the course to the students. Our account is given by vivekjain.genomy.com by URL. Then we create the course for signal and system. Our co-teacher is Pankaj Chittora. Now we going to the complete brief of signal and system course and including materials. Now we log in for the Moodle. First, we create the participants for that course. Our participant informations are there. Here, total 5 participants, 4 participants are joined as a students and 1 participant joined as a teacher. The participant names are Akhilesh Arya, Pankaj Chittora, Lokesh Malviya, Abhishek Sharma, and Yogendra Singh Solanki. We also create the complete course for students. The general introduction of this course is that first we create the announcements for the students. The announcements provides the information to the students. We create announcements to the students like release the notes, release attendance sheets, release assignment sheets, release feedback form. We also create the MCQ questions for the students for their grading purpose and their test. The signal and system MCQ questions are shown here and here. Now we click on it. The MCQ paper is shown in that here. We download the question paper with the help of by click on that link. The MCQ question paper shown here. That is the MCQ question paper. Now we come back to our Moodle project or Moodle platform. Here, how many students are attempt that question papers and how many submitted that assignments or that MCQ question paper, how many graded, all informations are provided here. The grading summary provided here. Total participants are 4, submitted by 2, needed grading 1 by 1, and time remaining assignment is due. Okay, so complete summary report is provided here. Grades informations are provided here. That is the complete grading informations provided. It is now open. We also check that submissions and their grades. Their submitted assignment sheets are here. Okay, 12 pages submissions are there. So we with the help of the Moodle, we create the assignments and MCQ questions and tests for the students and graded the students. The students submitted their answer sheet here. We graded the students and complete informations are provided here. We also provide the grade summary here on the LMS link. That is the complete grading information or summary chart of the students are available in the LMS Moodle. Okay, we also provide the course outline to the students. Here course outlines are course outcomes of the signal and systems are provided there. The 4 course outcomes are available to the students and provided to the students. What is the prerequisites requirement for that signal and system course are also provided here. The prerequisites are shown to the students with the help of the Moodle LMS. We also release the timetable on that Moodle project. Students click on it and download their timetable. The complete timetable are shown here. The syllabus of the course also downloaded by the students. We click on that link and download the syllabus. Same students are also download that syllabus from here. The complete syllabus of this course is available. The course is divided into the total 5 units: unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, or unit 5. That units are completed by in in lectures. The course plan is also lecture plan is also available here. The syllabus is divided into the 5 units, and how we complete that units, that plan is also available here. That is published as a lecture plan. The lecture plan is downloaded by the students. Every lecture topic is details available here. It is a 40 lecture plan. Unit 1 required 9 lectures. Unit 2 to complete the 8 lectures. Unit 3 required to complete the 8 lectures. In this way, complete all 5 units in the 40 lectures. We also provide the previous year question papers. Here, students download the previous year question papers from here. Here we provide question papers of 2011, 2012, 2013, and 2014. Question papers, previous year question papers are provided there. Okay. Now, we also provide the simulation software links where students simulate the signals and systems related assignments and lectures and practicals. The simulation link for the signal analysis are provided. There are 2 links where the students process their simulations at online. Okay. Next, link for self-study materials. We also provide the YouTube video for self-study and their improvement, for improvement their knowledge and for clearance of their doubts. We provides the materials for study like on different topics, DFT state space materials and sampling topic. That are all are supporting materials for their study. There are lecture materials in the PDF form, in the PPT form. In the PPT form, we provide the DSP basic introduction. In this way, we provide the complete lecture notes to the students in the form of PDF and PPT form. We also provide our recorded lecture on it, on the Moodle. We provide the recorded lecture on the FIR filter lecture. We also provide the live recorded lectures on the jet transform properties. Here we also mentions our contact hours with the students in unit wise. We take 8 hours for completing the unit 1 basic introduction of signal and system. We also provide Fourier series in next 8 hours. For completion of the Fourier transform, we take 8 hours. For completing the jet transform and Laplace transformation in next 8 hours. In this way, completely our contract hours with the student is 40 hours. We also provide the meeting hours details with the provided here. Our meeting hours with the students is 11 hours per month on they by figurating the 5 hours with, on the Zoom and WebEx platform and 6 hours on the WhatsApp chat app. We also share the attendance sheet to the students for their attendance record. The students download their attendance record from here by clicking this link and download their Excel sheet in the form Excel sheet and check their attendance record. We also provide the assignment sheets to the students unit wise. The assignment sheets are available in the doc form. We students click on that and open this assignment sheet unit wise. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5. Our reflection on online teaching also share with the students. The advantage of Online teaching is that every student getting equal attention, physical distance doesn't matter, flexibility in time management. It is very supportive in this that pandemic COVID time. The some disadvantage with that online teaching is that lack of student encouragement by the faculty. Personally, by the physical teaching, students have a chance to cheat. The faculty connectivity issue is a major issue in the India. Difficulty in explaining the numerical subjects. We also provide the virtual lab link for the students. The lab name is Shashakant Virtual Lab. That lab is developed by the Indian Institute of Guwahati. Students directly click on that link and open the virtual lab. That virtual lab available on the online, and students perform their different experiments on that virtual link. The experiments are available here. Experiment 1 is signal and their properties, system and their properties, Fourier analysis, sampling and reconstruction, analysis of LTI systems. The students perform that experiments on that virtual lab online. We also collect the feedback from the students. For that, taking the feedback, we create the questions for the student feedback and submit their answers. We also create the discussion forum for discussion with students. We also create the discussion forum for module also, at which we create the different topics for communication and taking the advice and taking review from the students. Discussion forums discuss with regarding course plans, lecture plans, attendance sheet, feedback form, virtual lab, course material, video lecture link, student forum. We also create the grades for students' performance. In this way, we completely create the course for the students and for their education. It is very supportive for their students' improvements and student performance review. Thank you very much.